Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So today we are going to discuss about the language cloud. The scale and the pace of translation have exponentially increased the last several years. Customers now expect all the interaction in their languages. Companies are struggling to meet the demand. At the same time, language services providers and professional translators deliver more content faster, all without sacrificing quality. The status quo is the no longer and good enough. How can we translate more intelligently? The translation is evolving. Platforms are emerging, the process continue. Streamlink to address greater demand, the next generation of translation technology has arrived to meet the need of everyone involved from the content requester to freelance translators. Ensure convergence across the translation process with the spectrum of surgery options, a catalog of the integration and the complete deployment flexibility. What is a cloud based translation management system? In short, we called as TMS. Cloud based translation management system are the few new frontier of innovation among brands seeking to localize their content. The system incorporates powerful technologies like translation memory and machine translation to increase the speed and quality of translation services and enable companies to appeal to international consumer with unprecedented efficiency and presence. Translation memory store your mounting record of all the content that has ever been translated for your company. That is, whenever you translate a word or an expression, otherwise referred to as a string. Translation memory is a program to acknowledge the string, then immediately store it in a centralized database as an original entry. So, number one is a cloud TMS saves your time. That is the most important thing. First, you will save a ton of time by using your cloud translation management system. In the powerful automatic workflows, content move quickly and smoothly through the platform and does not wait around of human intervention with a cloud TMS. All you have to worry about is creating other content in your native language. Translator themselves can also faster within the TMS. Everything you have translated previously stored in a translation memory database for instant and automatic translation in the next time those string appear. Number 2 is a cloud TMS saves your money. Not only does a cloud based translation management system save you time, but it also save your money. With a complete overview of all the translation project, localization managers can make decision on how to best carry out the job. For example, brand can utilize machine translation for lower priority content to save on the labor cost of human translation. This is a great for user generated content for people where the talent and creativity of a human translator are not necessary. Number 3 is a cloud TMS provides greater visibility into the translation process. Without a cloud TMS, translation is opaque. Putting disparate parts together is the frustrating and laborious, and getting a consistent brand voice within particular localization. With a cloud TMS, your translation process become more transparent and more unified. The entire TMS is your single source of truth of every translation project. You will also get a complete overview of individual project that down to the string level. You can now exactly where every piece of content and every assignment is located at any moment. Even provides our own unique quality confidence score. Number 4 is a cloud TMS foster higher translation quality. With a cloud TMS, you gain tools that enhance your overall translation quality. It has automated check built right to ensure the all published content is free from any error or mistake. Quality checks can be even configured to prevent translator from submitting their work without correcting any issue, and can be optimized to focus on specific element, spelling, grammar, number, consistency, and many more. So as the content is the key of translation quality, starting provide linguistic with the visual context. Our platform captures a snapshot of the content the translator is working on, whether that be a web page, a mobile app, a video, a marketing email, and other form of content. So the translator will see how their work appears on the finished product. Number 5 is a cloud-based platform means globalization freedom. With a cloud, TMS translator have the freedom to work within the platform from anywhere in the world. This means that you have brand can tap into the native speaker, culture experts, and even linguistic expert from the nearly anywhere on earth. Translating your brand needs a TMS. Tailoring your brand content with localization essential if you want to succeed in the market other than your own, and do it well. You need the right tools, starting in industry leading cloud-based translation management system that can be supercharge your localization efforts. So guys, we have tried to cover all the important detail in the topic of language cloud translation management. I hope this information is beneficially for you. If it is so, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get the informative videos on time and very first. And all the same details you can get it in our company website, that is www.24x7offshoring.com. So guys, I am reminding you once again for subscribe the channel. You can subscribe it and get the notification button on also, so you will get or receive all the videos related to this very first. So soon we will meet with the next interesting topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.